Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic that uses of common non-metals part 2. So few more examples and few more non-metals and their uses. Today I am going to explain this much. First one that phosphorus and second one carbon and third one hydrogen. So I will give you that the importance and the main uses of these three non-metals. Okay, the first one uses of non-metals phosphorus. First one phosphorus. Okay, so the phosphorus, it is a reactive solid. Reactive solid. Why that word is given here only? Reactive solid. So in that earth crust and the atmosphere, we are seeing and we are having no different type of metal and non-metals. So some of the metals highly reactive, some of the metals less reactive, and some of the non-metals are reactive and some of them not reactive. So here the phosphorus is a reactive solid. Reactive solid. I will tell you about this one. The reactive solid means this phosphorus is reactive with other elements to form other compounds. Okay, and I will give you few examples about this one. And this phosphorus is it is not found in the free state. It is not able to seen in the free state. It is always in the form of combined state. What is the word meaning combined state? It mixes with other element. The phosphorus combined with other element or any other compound to form a different compounds. Okay. So this compound will be helpful for us and some we are using for different ways. So here the phosphorus is not able to see in a free state, it is always in a combined state. Let's see, it is not found in the free state in the nature. Okay. So I will give you few uses of that phosphorus. The first one, it can exist in several forms. That means phosphorus it can exist in several forms. Okay. So which type of forms? The phosphorus is seen in different forms. The first one, red phosphorus, white phosphorus, and black phosphorus. Red phosphorus, white phosphorus, and black phosphorus. So these phosphorus are highly reactive. Okay. And next one, it is used in the smoke bombs. The phosphorus is using in the making smoke bombs. Okay. Why? So this your phosphorus is a highly reactive non-metal. That's why we are using for the making smoke bombs. Next one, the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus and phosphorus trisulfide. Phosphorus trisulfide, the other compound of the phosphorus. Phosphorus trisulfide are used in the manufacturing of matches and bullet traces. So the phosphorus trisulfide or red phosphorus, they are also used for making matches and bullet traces. Okay, because that's a very highly reactive solid. That's why we are using for this red phosphorus and phosphorus sulfide are used for making or manufacturing matches and bullet traces. Next one, it is used for rat poison. It is a highly reactive. If that is swallowing or some other incidentally enter in the body, that turn to death or other severe case, say severe causes in the body. That's why it is also very dangerous for the humans and other animals. So here it is mostly used for used for that rat poison, and it is also used for fireworks. That inflammable character. That's why it is also used for match or kind of bullet traces and fireworks. Next one, it is used for manufacturing. It is used for manufacturing of phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Okay. So this phosphorus is very complex and very important for the manufacturing of phosphoric acid. What's the chemical formula of the phosphoric acid? H3PO4. So the P is a phosphorus. So for the manufacturing of the phosphoric acid, that phosphorus is very compulsory. Okay. And next one, that phosphatic Fertilizer. Phosphatic fertilizer. For the manufacturing of the phosphatic fertilizer, that phosphorus is very compulsory. So these are the main uses of phosphorus. Once again, it is a reactive solid. It is not found in the free states. Okay. So it can exist in several forms. That forms red color and white and black in color. And here, and it's mainly used for making manufacturing of the smoke bombs, and red phosphorus and the phosphorus trisulfide is also used for manufacturing for matches and bullet traces. Next one, it is used for rat poison. The phosphorus is widely used for rat poison. Okay, it is not only for the poison for the rat, and it is poison for all other organisms also. And used for fireworks. Next one, it is used for manufacturing of phosphoric acid and phosphatic fertilizer. These are the main uses of phosphorus. Next one, carbon. I hope all of you know this word carbon and their chemical symbol, hence the formula symbol. And where and in the life we are almost, and we are using this carbon, we are not avoid this one in almost all the substance, or almost all the substance having carbon content. For example, the nutrients like a carbohydrate, protein, fat, and any other substance which are required for our growth and maintenance of the body, we need the carbon. So the carbon compounds also, we are also know about that one, carbon compounds, the graphite and diamond. These are fully carbon. Okay, so I will give you few uses of carbon and their uses. The first one, carbon in the form of graphite is used in the electrodes in the electrolytic cell. Carbon, the only one non-metal, it conduct heat and electricity. So almost I have already explained to you in the previous my class. The non-metals bad conductor of electricity and heat, except one, that is a carbon. So only carbon is also conducting the heat and electricity. So that's why we are using the carbon using in that electrolytic cell as a one electrode, act as a electrode. Okay, carbon is also non-metal. It is helpful to conduct a heat and electricity. And carbon in the form of diamond is also used in making jewelry. Carbon is a form of diamond is used in making jewelry. I hope all of you know the diamond. Diamond is also almost 99.9% of carbon. It is widely used for making jewelry and very precious non-metal. And next one, coal and coke are used as a fuel. Coal and coke, these are the carbon, and these two are widely used as a fuel in different industries. Okay. Next one, carbon black is used in the making ink, carbon paper, typewriting ribbons, etc. Typewriting ribbon and carbon paper and inks, these are also prepared or manufactured in the help of carbon only. So carbon widely used in different ways and very useful for human life and all the life forms. Okay. Next one, hydrogen. I hope this one, hydrogen. Okay. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless and flammable gas. Hydrogen is a odorless and colorless, but it is a flammable gas. What's the word meaning flammable gas? And easy to catch a fire. That's why it's a flammable gas. Okay. So the few uses of the hydrogen. The first one, hydrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia. Manufacturing of ammonia. Okay. So for the manufacturing of ammonia, we are using hydrogen. That's the main element of the ammonia. Okay. What's the chemical formula of ammonia? NH3. Next one. It is used to convert vegetable oils into fats by the process of hydrogenation in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. So vegetable oils, for that vegetable oils convert into the fat. Vegetable oils convert into fat. So we are using that hydrogen here. Hydrogen is also using, and nickel also used in this process. Nickel here act as a catalyst. Nickel act as a catalyst. So this converting of vegetable oil into fat, that process is called hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Okay. Next one, hydrogen is used in the production of high temperature flame called oxy-hydrogen flame. Oxy-hydrogen flame. So this oxy-hydrogen flame, the mixing of oxygen and hydrogen combined together to form a high temperature flame. That high temperature flame is called oxy-hydrogen flame. So what is the use of this flame? Where we are using this flame? So this is very simple. This is a high flame, that oxy-hydrogen flame is used for cutting the metals, and welding purpose. These are the main uses of oxy-hydrogen flame. Next one, it is also used in the manufacturing of hydrochloric acid and methanol. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this H is a hydrogen. This hydrogen is very important for the manufacturing of hydrochloric acid. And methane. HCl and CH4. So for the manufacturing of the hydrochloric acid, the hydrogen is very important. On the methane, manufacturing of the methane, the hydrogen is very important. Okay. Next one, the liquid hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel. Liquid oxygen. The modern century, we are using that liquid hydrogen as a rocket fuel. Okay. Next one, hydrogen can also serve as a fuel in the future. So upcoming year also we are also using the hydrogen will be used as a fuel in the coming years. So it's a very highly inflammable nature, inflammable character. That's why we are using rocket fuel, as well as the upcoming we are using vehicles also. Hydrogen is a fuel. The instead of the petrol and diesel and other CNG. So we are able to, and we are going to use this hydrogen as a fuel upcoming year. So these are the main uses of hydrogen. So I hope all of you understood what I am teaching today. All of you read and learn this topic carefully. Okay, thank you.